everyone, it's Nick with Lake Groomer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to properly set your Lake Groomer limits of travel with the new 2022 sensor puck system. One awesome feature of the Lake Groomer is that it's completely customizable. This means that the Lake Groomer can travel anywhere from 30 to 270 degrees, and you can set this to be perfect for your specific dock configuration. There are 3 dock mount configurations that we recommend using. The first of which is the side pull method. This method allows the roller to travel 180 degrees and is perfect to clean up the side areas of your dock. The second configuration that we recommend is our end pull method. This configuration allows the rollers to travel 270 degrees and gives you the widest area of removal. The final configuration that we recommend is our inside corner method. This configuration has 90 degrees of rotation and is perfect for any dock that is an L shape or a T shape. The first thing that we want to do is check that the thumb screws are in close proximity to the sensors. We can do this by rotating the device with our hand and making sure that the thumb screws do not contact the sensor but are close enough to turn the sensors on. Next, we want to make sure that the set screw on the base of the pucks is tight and lined up with the rollers. This will help give a visual of where our rollers are in the water when the device is running and you can't see the rollers underwater. Now we are ready to set the limits of travel on the Lake Groomer. The first thing we want to do is turn the Lake Groomer on. This will start to rotate the Lake Groomer in one of 2 directions. The device has 2 sensors, an upper and a lower. When both sensors are off, the system will continue to rotate in the direction it is going. When the upper sensor turns on, the device will go from rotating clockwise to the right to counterclockwise to the left. When the bottom sensor turns on, the device will go from rotating counterclockwise to the left to rotating clockwise to the right. For example, so we want to turn the system on. So here we can see that the rollers are turning clockwise. So that means that when the rollers are sticking out, they're going to turn like this in the water. So when we have our device set up, we can turn it on, wait for the rollers to go as far to the right as they go. So they'll be moving, they'll be moving, they'll be moving. All of a sudden, it's going to get as far as we want it to go. And at that point, we take this puck. We want to use our upper puck because we're going clockwise to the right, and we'll line it up with the sensor. It's going to turn the sensor on, and we can tighten the thumb screw. Now we can see that it's coming to a stop. Once it comes to a stop, it'll start rotating in the opposite direction. Now we can see that our rollers are rotating to the left. So if we imagine our rollers are turning the device, it's going to rotate to the left. Now when they get as far to the left as we want, let's say we only want it to go that far, we take our bottom puck and line it up with our bottom thumb screw. It's going to flip the sensor on, and we tighten the thumb screw. And the device will come to a stop. It will then begin to rotate back in the other direction, where it will run into our previously set distance from the top thumb screw. The sensor will flip on, and it'll switch back the other direction. Thanks for watching our video on setting the limits of travel on your Lake Groomer. For more information, please check out our website.